guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. I hope if you haven't, you will subscribe and join the family if you love affordable finds and shopping. Now guys, I'm already ready for the fall vibes. I know all the coffee pumpkin spice lattes are out. We are definitely feeling the fall vibes and I'm here for it. I'm actually on my way to pick up a coffee, but I wanted to do this unboxing review because I cannot wait to first share with you guys this amazing affordable find that I found and to start wearing them. Guys, I'm so excited. You guys know that my channel is mainly here to help you find affordable items, things on sale, things on a budget, but not compromise your style or the quality of any of those. And guys, if you didn't know, I'm about to put you on this amazing website, which is a sunglasses, prescription glasses, or prescription sunglasses online website that carries very high quality sunglasses, glasses. You don't have to compromise the style or the quality, but the price is so affordable. It's so good. And I'm speaking about Firmoo. Firmoo is an online, like I said, sunglasses, glasses website where you can pick out very good quality sunglasses or prescription glasses or prescription sunglasses at a great price, and the quality is all there. You don't have to compromise that, like I said, and they have very affordable prices. But I am actually going to give you guys a discount code that is going to save you guys 50% off any of their glasses, prescription, non-prescription, on their website. So I just want to say thank you, Firmoo, for sponsoring this video. And I'll leave my little discount code right here on the screen. I also have a link down below, which is going to be GSWQ50. That's going to save you 50%. It's going to be linked down below, and I'll have put it here on the screen. But I want to show you guys which sunglasses I picked out because I'm so excited and I'm ready to use them. So here is the little case that it comes with. It's very sturdy, very protected, but also so adorable. Look how cute the case is. Absolutely love. So let's unbox this. Let me show you the little haul. And as you open it up, you see that they come in a little pouch, which I love. And what I love about it, look, it says Firmoo on there. So cute that it also, you could use it as a cleaning cloth, guys. So it's a 2-in-1. You have your little pouch for your sunglasses or prescription glasses, but you can also use it as a little cleaning cloth when they get dirty or your handprints or whatever. So how adorable. Look at the color, so cute. It's like that Tiffany like blue. Love it. Okay, so let me show you guys which one I picked out, because I kind of went a little bit out of my comfort zone, because I usually do like black sunglasses or not, but I wanted something different. And when I saw these, I was like, this is the time. This is the time. I feel like it's definitely fall vibe ready. So let me share it with you guys. So this is the style that I picked out. So adorable. This is definitely me. If you know me, you know. Look how gorgeous. I love the gold detail that it has, the shape. So adorable. So obsessed. I am excited to wear these and try these. And if you like this style of sunglasses, if this is kind of also your vibe, I'll leave the style number right here on the screen, but it's Judy 262, JUDY 262. That's the style of these sunglasses. Now let's try them on. Yes, these are so, like, guys, I am definitely, these are going to be my fall glasses. Like, from now to fall, this is what your girl is going to be wearing. I absolutely like them because I still feel like it fits the vibe, like the black chic vibe that I go with. But these are so adorable. What do you guys think? Do you guys like them? I absolutely love them. They're definitely my vibe and I'm here for it. And guys, if you could feel the quality on these, like, they don't feel like, you know, like cheap or thin. They're like perfect quality, but not like heavy that they're gonna hurt your head. You know how those glasses could be, you know what I mean? But no, guys, these are so smooth, so nice on the frame, on the face. I absolutely love these glasses and the style. Yes, I'm definitely here for these. So guys, check out Firmoo. Like I said, they not only carry sunglasses, they also carry prescription. If you've been needing some new prescription sunglasses, check them out. Take advantage of my discount code. It's going to save you 50% off. They also do sunglasses with prescription. So I know there's a lot of people that love that, especially those hot days. Maybe you're driving, want some sunglasses, but obviously you need prescription. Firmoo has you covered, so check them out. I'm go ahead and link their website down below so you can check them out. And they have so many styles to choose from, guys. It's so good. And like I said before, their prices are very affordable, but with my discount code, you're getting 50% on top of their very affordable prices. So take advantage of that, guys. Definitely use that discount code, because who doesn't love to save some money? You know your girl does. And of course, if I could help you save money, that's what I'm here for. So check them out. And once again, I'll also leave the style number of these sunglasses. Like I said, if you like them, you can also check these out. But they have many different styles and shapes, you know, for different face shape. You could also do like a little virtual try on, which that was absolutely helpful for me when I was trying to pick out, you know, the style that I wanted. But I absolutely love them, guys. They are so nice. I'm gonna wear them to go get my coffee. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review and haul of these Firmoo sunglasses. I absolutely love them. Definitely gonna probably go back and get myself a black pair just to have more styles on hand. But yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, don't forget to check the link and use the discount code. That's gonna help you save 50% off. And thank you so much, Firmoo, for sponsoring this video. I'll go ahead and see you guys next time. Bye, guys.